Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to duplicate diamonds in Minecraft Bedrock. We'll explore a common method that leverages specific game mechanics to multiply your precious gems. This technique usually involves precise timing and a particular setup. Remember, always create a backup of your world before trying any glitches to prevent potential loss of progress. To begin, you'll need a few key items. Grab a chest, a sturdy pickaxe, and at least one diamond to start the process. Next, find an appropriate spot in your world. Sometimes being near a chunk boundary or a specific type of block can be beneficial. It's crucial to have your game saved and be prepared to close the application swiftly at a precise moment. Now for the core of the method. Place your diamonds into a chest, then swiftly break that chest. The critical step is to immediately close your game application before the auto-save feature can record the chest being broken. Upon re-entering your world, you should find the diamonds both in your inventory and still within the chest's original location, effectively doubling them. Achieving consistent duplication often requires practicing the precise timing of your game exit. Be aware that this particular method might not function identically across all game versions or different Bedrock platforms. Game developers frequently release updates that can patch out such glitches, so what works today might not work tomorrow. Always stay informed about the latest game changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.